Diksha, welcome to our YouTube channel Helmholtz Science. Today's lecture is on the basis of class 9. The name of the chapter is the simultaneous linear equation. In class 8, we have solve the value of x with one variable. But now, what is the meaning of one variable? What is the meaning of constant? Suppose I give an equation 4x minus 10 equal to 2. This is an equation. Now here what is the variable in this equation? What is the variable in this equation? There's only one variable present, that is x. Okay, so what we did in class 8, that if one variable is present, we have to take the variable part one side and take the constant part and another side. Suppose here variable is 4x, variable is 4x and the constant are minus 10 and equal to and plus 2. Now first we did plus 10, take it on the other side of the equation. What we will get? 10 plus 2. Fine. Now what we did? 4x equal to 12 and finally x equal to 12 by 4, that's equal to 3. In this process, we solve these types of problems. Now, what is actually do here? Here we have one equation with one variable. Now, in class 9, we have to solve two variables with two equations. First, I will write the general expression of the two variables of a linear equation. Suppose a1x b1y equal to c 1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. There are two equations, there are two separate equations. Here a1 comma a2 comma b1 comma b2, they are variables. They are variable. So I repeat again, here the two equation is present. One is x plus b1y equal to c1y, next a2x plus b2y equal to c2x. Here a1, a2, b1 and b2 are the variables. Now what we have to do here, how we solve, how will you determine the value of x and y? Fine, there are three processes to determine the value of x and y. The first name of the process is substitution method. Second one is elimination, and third one is most important for class 9, that is cross multiplication. Fine. So what are the method? First one is substitution, second one is elimination, third one is cross multiplication. Now how do you apply this type of process in this our equation? Suppose next, so there are three processes: substitution, cross multiplication and elimination. Now I will give you an example and show you how to solve these types of problem. What the methods are? Suppose 2x plus 3y equal to 11, then x minus y equal to 2. There are two linear equations having two variables. What is the variables are x and y. Now in this equation, how you compare these two equations with these two equations? Suppose here, what is the value of a1? If I compare this equation with this equation, what is the value of a1? a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3. Here nothing is present, that means 1 is multiplied with it. So a2 equal to 1, a2 equal to 1, and also b2 equal to 1. So they are the variables: a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, a2 equal to 1, and also b2 equal to also 1. Now first process is, I have told you that first process is substitution method. What it's actually substitution method is, I omit this one totally. Substitution means here we have an equation. In this equation, we have determined a value from this equation, one variable. Then this value will put into that equation. Let us see. Suppose 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Now I take this 3y on that side. So what happened? This is plus, and when some plus is go to the another side of the equation, what will you get? Minus. So 2x equal to 11 minus 3y. Fine. Now x equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Got it? I again repeat, 2x plus 3y equal to 11, 2x equal to 11 minus 3y, and then x equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Fine. Here from one equation we find the value of x with one variable. Now this value of x, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, by this value of x we have find it. Here we put this value of x. What happened? If I put this value of x in here, what happened? 11 minus 3y by 2 minus y equal to 2. So see actually what happened here. In this equation we substituted x by y, which we defined from equation 1, and that substitution helps me a linear equation with one variable. I again repeat, here we find the value of x with a variable y. Then this value of x, this substitution is this equation. Hence the total equation is made of y. Understand? Now how do we solve it? First take an LCM. 11 minus 3y minus 2y by 2 equal to 2. Fine. Next 11, this 2 is cross multiplies this, multiplies by this 2 to 4. 11 minus 3y minus 2y means 11 minus 5y. Fine. So we will take minus 5y one side and 11 to the another side. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 minus 11 is 7. So minus 5y equal to minus 7. Okay, I write here y minus y equal to minus 7 by minus 5. So 7 eliminated. We get 7 by 5. Now, okay, next one. What happened actually? Here we find the value of x. We got the value of again. Here we get the value of y. This value of y, put this equation. Then we get also x. I omit this one. Y equal to what was the equation? Y equal to 7 by 5. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. The value of y is 7 by 5. Now I put this value of 7 by 5 in this equation. X equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. The value of y is 7 by 5 into 3y by 2. That means 11 minus 21 by 5 by 2. That's 11 into 5, 60. 55 minus 21, 55 minus 21 by 5 by 2. Okay, so 55 minus 21, 55 minus 21 is 4, to 24 by 5 divided by 2, that's equal to 24 by 10, 12 by 5. So value of x equal to 12 by 5. So this was a complete substitution method to solve two variables x and y with help of two equations. Now fine. That was the substitution method. Now I will come on to the elimination method. What is actually elimination method is? Again I write another equation similar like that, just one variable is changed actually. X minus 2y equal to 2. All are same. the coefficient of y is just changed. Now what happened? What is elimination substitution method? What we did an equation, use an equation 1, we gave find a value of x or y, then this x or y substitution of another equation. Here we get also two equations. Here elimination method means, what is elimination method actually means? Elimination means cut one or more than one. In this two equation we actually cancel out, our motto is cancel out one variable by multiplying both of equations something by something. What happened? I will show you how to do that. Here what is the coefficient of x? 2. And what is the coefficient of the x in this equation? 2. That is 1. Nothing is right, that means 1 into x, that is 1. So if we try to cut this x, then the coefficient of x should be same, and again also the coefficient of same variables should be opposite in sign. I again repeat, the coefficient of these two variables should be same and the sign is actually opposite to each other, then we will cancel each other. That means suppose we have 2. So what will you do for getting a 0? We add to minus 2, that is become 0. So same magnitude and opposite value. Same plus 2 is the same coefficient, the same value, but opposite in sign. Then we will get 0 value. In this only this method we solve it. Suppose here equation 2, a variable of x is 2, here variable x is 1. So what should we do? If we do this equation in multiply by 2, then what we get? We get 2x. How? If 1x minus 2y equal to 2, this whole equation is multiplied by 2, what we will get? 2x minus 4y equal to 4. Then the coefficient of x are same. Now write again those two equations. This is suppose equation 3. It is equation 1 and it is equation 3. Fine. Now these two coefficients are same. Now we have to change the sign. Here the sign is plus, we have to change the sign is minus. Here we have to do minus. Here the sign is minus, so we do plus. Here is sign is minus, so we do here the sign is plus, so you do minus. So what happened? This 2x and minus 2x is cancel now each other. Let's just eliminate. Now plus 3y plus 4y equal to 7y and 11 minus 4 equal to 7. So y equal to 7 by 7, that equal to 1. So by elimination x we get y value of y. Now this value of y we can put any of these three equations. Now value of y put in equation 1. Y put in equation 1. What we get? 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 2x value of y is 1, so 1 equal to 11. 2x equal to 11 minus 3. 2x equal to 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Value of 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 2x plus 3 equal to 11. 11 minus 3 equal to 8. So x equal to 8 by 2, that's equal to 4. Here we from this elimination method we get y equal to 1 and x equal to 4. This is the actual elimination method is. Again I repeat how did I did this. First we have to select one variable to eliminate. To elimination we have to change one equation to give a same coefficient. Then the coefficient, after the same coefficient we have to change the sign of this coefficient. Then we get a cancel of one variable and the equation made of one variable, and by this process we get a variable from two equation, and what this value put in any equation of this we get the another value. Fine. This was our the elimination method. Now I will show you 2-3 more complicated example of these two methods. Now we have to solve this problem. Here also two equation is present with two variables. Now there is some complication. Here we understand there is variable x, y in this equation. Here also variable x is and y, and they are the constant. Okay. Now what happened? There is two variable x and y, but here x, y is also present. In one equation, two variables is multiplied with each other. So what should we do? What should we do in this types of problem? First, what we will do? First, I write this equation here. Okay. We have seen that in this side of this equation or right side of the equation, only a constant term is present. But here, with a constant term, two multiplication of a variable is present. So what we will do? We have to get only constant in this side. So how we get only 2? We will get only 2 when this xy term is not present. Fine. When this xy term is not present, if we divided by this with xy, then xy is cancelled. If xy is cancelled, we get only 2. Understand? So we have to divide both the equation with xy. So what we get? 3x by xy plus 2y by xy equal to 2xy by xy. What happened? Here x cancel, y cancel, here xy into xy cancel, both are cancelled. So what we will get? 3 by x, 3 by y by 2 by x equal to 2. Understand? Again, from this equation, what we will get? 6x by xy, 2y by xy equal to 3xy by xy. Here also xy cancel each other, y cancel, and here x cancel. So what we get? 6 by y plus 2 by x equal to 3. So we get two equation, and on the right side one constant is present. Fine. Now again one another problem is present. That is, in previous example we get this type of variable where x is, the power of x is 1. But what have actually here in this two equation, here the power of x and y is -1. But that means x and y are present in reciprocal. So what should we do? We have habituated to solve this type of example where the power is 1. Now we have to convert it in this two equation like that type of variable. Fine. So what we do? Let 1 by x equal to u, fine, and 1 by y equal to v. So what we have? 1 by u, that means 1 by y, that means 3 into v, 2, 1 by x, that means 2 into u equal to 2. From here 6b plus 2, wait. So fine, now what happened? 2 by x equal to 2u, okay, equal to 3. So we get our desired form of two linear equation. Now we have to calculate the value of u and v. So what will you do? The coefficient is same but sign is not opposite. So we have to oppositing sign, that is plus to minus, plus to minus, plus to minus. What happened? 2u cancel each other, plus 3b minus 6b is minus 3b, plus to minus 3 equal to minus 1, v equal to minus 1 by minus 3, that's equal to 1 by 3. Fine. Now we take the value of 1 by 3 in this equation. That means equation, right? I write this equation 3. This is equation 4. Now put this value of v in equation 3. So what we will get? 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2u equal to 2. Fine. Cut each other. 2u equal to 2, u equal to 1. Fine. 3v 3v plus 2u equal to 2. 3 into 1 by 3, 2 into u equal to 2, u equal to 1. So what actually happened? So now we get the value of v, u and v. I eliminate this one. This method also eliminated. Okay, what is the value of v? 1 by 3 and u equal to 1. Now what is the value of v? We put the value of y equal to 1 by v. Okay, here v equal to 1 by 3, that means we put this value in v, so y equal to 3. Okay, y equal to 3. And what is the value of x now? U equal to x equal to 1 by u. Okay, value put that x equal to 1. So this is a method to solve this type of problem. Sorry, here I did a mistake, that is I eliminate this plus 1 also. So I have to correct something here. This value of y is correct, but the value of x is wrong, because when I cut the 3 by 3, then plus 1 I omit. So sorry for again this wrong procedure. 1 plus 2 of u equal to 2. So I put this 1 on another side. 2 minus 1, so 2 equal to 1, u equal to half. Sorry again for this interruption. So value of u equal to 1 by half. So value of y equal to 1 by half. So now what is the value of actually y? We put x equal to 1 by u. Okay, so value of what is the value of y? U. Value of u equal to 1 by half. Okay, this will go y equal to x equal to again u equal to 1 by 2, we put x equal to 1 by y. Now the value of y to be this side, we get x equal to the value of actual value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Again, sorry for the interruption. This is our last problem of this class. After next class, we will be discussing about cross multiplication method and their applications. So what is the problem? Last problem, here 3 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 3. And second equation is 2 by x plus y and plus 3 by x minus y equal to 11 by 3. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Fine. So now here again a complication is started. We have to used to see that this type of x plus by equal to this type of form, but here this form is not present. So we have to convert this form to this type of form. So what should we do? In this previous problem, we take x plus y equal to u or v, or 1 by y equal to u or v. So here we have to put 1 by x plus y equal to u, okay, and 1 by x minus y equal to v. Fine. Next, so how it now it is converted into 3u plus 2v equal to 3, 2u plus 3u plus 2v equal to 3 and 2u plus 3v equal to 11 by 3. 3u plus 2v equal to 3 and 2u plus 3v equal to 11 by 3. Now we apply here the elimination method. So we have to change it same coefficient and opposite sign. So now this is, suppose this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Now if we multiply this equation 3 into 2 and equation 4 into 3, what will get? We get 3 into 2 6u, 3 into 2 3 into 2 6u, 2 into 2 4v and 3 into 2 equal to 6. And here 2 into 3 equal to 6u, 3 into 3 equal to 9v and 11 by 3. Sorry, here again I repeat, the value does this equation convert into this equation. There 3x plus y, this two equation is converted into this equation, and we get this type of form. This two equation in this form. So now we have to easy to solve it. So 6u plus 4v equal to 6. 6u plus 9v equal to 11. Fine. Okay. Now I change the sign. 6u cancel. Minus 9v plus 4v is minus 5v. Minus 5. So v equal to minus 5 by 5. That's equal to 1. Now put this value of v in this equation 3. 6u plus 4v equal to 6. 6u plus 4, value of v is 1, that means 1. 6. 6u equal to 6 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4. 6u equal to 6 minus 4. 6u equal to 2. U equal to 2 by 6. That means 1 by 3. So value of u equal to 1, and value of v equal to 1, and value of u equal to 1 by 3. So value of u equal to 1, value of u equal to 1 by 3. Now last job. What is the value of u? 1 by x equal to u. Now what is the value of u from our elimination method? That's equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by x equal to 1 by 3. Now we reciprocal it. X equal to y equal to x plus y equal to 3. And from b we get x minus y equal to 1 by x minus y equal to b. X minus, now value of b equal to 1. So x minus y equal to 1. So equation are become x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 1. So what we have to do now? Y cancel each other. 2x equal to 3 plus 1 4. X equal to 2. And if I put this value x in this equation, x plus y equal to 3. Value of x equal to 2 plus y equal to 3. So y equal to 3 minus 2. That's equal to what? This value of x equal to 2 and the value of y equal to 1. This process is very long, but this is a very important problem. There are two, three much concept is applied. First, we have to put the value of 1 by x equal to 1 to get this type form of equation. After getting this form of equation, we solve this the value of u and v, and again from u and v we get x plus y and x minus y. Again we eliminate y and x, we get x, the value of x and y. This is too much for today. Thank you for watching. We will come to the next video.